11th one, find all the points of discontinuity of f given by f of x is equal to same function f of x is equal to x cube minus 3, yeah, that is equal to x cube minus 3, comma if x is less than or equal to 2. If x is less than or equal to 2. Next, x square plus 1 f of x is equal to x square plus 1, comma if x is greater than 2. If x is greater than 2. Here we have to check the points of discontinuity. Here observe guys. Solution. Here observe the less than or equal to, greater than or equal to or inequalities. Here less than, equal to, greater than. These are all therefore the point 2 guys. So we will check the points of discontinuity at this point. At this point x is equal to 2. So now at x is equal to 2. At x is equal to 2. F of x is equal to what guys? Here is equal to symbol is there for, is equal to, inequality is there for this function. Okay, so our function is what? X cube minus 3. X cube minus 3. So at x is equal to 2, f of 2 is equal to, f of 2 is equal to, in place of x we have to substitute 2. Yeah, 2 cube minus 3. 2 cube means 8 minus 3. That is equal to what guys? 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. That is f of 2 is equal to 5. Next. Now this function inverse inequality, so use left hand limit and right hand limit. Now therefore left hand limit LHL is equal to limit of f of x as x tends to a minus, in place of a here it is what? 2. 2 minus. That is equal to limit as x tends to 2 minus, here f of x, our function is what? 2 minus means the function which is less than 2. The function which is less than 2 is x square minus x cube minus 3. X cube minus 3. Here that is equal to what? That's equal to here x cube minus 3. Here in place of x we have to substitute 2 cube minus 3, that's equal to 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. 8 minus 3 is 5. Next, RHL. RHL is equal to what guys? Limit as x tends to, here 2 plus f of x. That is equal to limit as x tends to 2 plus, x tends to 2 plus means the function which is greater than 2. Yeah, the function which is greater than 2 is x square plus 1. X square plus 1. That is equal to, here now substitute the limit. This becomes 2 square plus 1. 2 square plus 1. 2 square means 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 square means 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Now observe. Therefore LHL is equal to RHL is equal to f of what? 2. F of 2 at x is equal to 2. Those are all equal to what? 5. Those are all equal to 5. Therefore what? Therefore f is continuous at f is continuous at x is equal to 2. At x is equal to 2. At x is equal to 2. But here what you have to find out? We have to find out points of discontinuity. That means therefore there is no point of discontinuity for this function f. Therefore there is no point of discontinuity for this function, for this given function. Okay, like this we will solve guys. Okay, next question. Here 12th one. Find all the points of discontinuity of f given by f of x is equal to here x to the power of 10 minus 1, x to the power of 10 minus 1, comma if x is less than or equal to 1, next x square, comma if x is greater than 1, here observe guys, the important thing is we have to write inequalities correctly. Okay, if we write the inequalities, if we made any mistakes in inequalities, you will get a negative answer. You will get a wrong answer. Okay, guys. So this inequalities, you have to write this inequalities very carefully. Okay. Now here observe solution. Here less than, equal to, greater than. These inequalities are there for 1. The point 1. Therefore, at x is equal to 1, at x is equal to 1, f of x is equal to inequality is there for this function. F of x is equal to x to the power of 10 minus 1. Therefore, at x is equal to 1, f of 1 is equal to 1 to the power of 10 minus 1. 1 to the power of 10, 1 to the power of any number is 1 only. Okay, 1 to the power of 10, 100, 1000, anything. That may be what? 1. 1 minus 1, that's equal to 0, guys. 1 to the power of any integer is what? 1. Okay, now this function involves inequality, so left hand limit, consider left hand limit and right hand limit. Left hand limit is equal to limit of f of x as x tends to 1 minus, this point is 1, so 1 minus, that is equal to limit as x tends to 1 minus f of x. Yeah, 1 minus means the function which is less than 1. The function which is less than 1 is x to the power of 10 minus 1. X power 10 minus 1. That is equal to, if you substitute the limit as 1, yeah, this becomes 1 to the power of 10 minus 1. That is 1 power 10 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0 only. Next, RHL. RHL is equal to limit of f of x as x tends to, yeah, 1 plus means the function which is greater than 1. The function which is greater than 1. The function which is greater than 1 is what? X square. X square. That is equal to, if you substitute the limit as 1, x tends to 1, this becomes 1 square. 1 square is equal to 1. Now observe, guys. Therefore, LHL left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. LHL is equal to 0, RHL is equal to 1. Therefore what? Therefore, f is discontinuous at x is equal to this point 1. F is discontinuous at x is equal to 1. Therefore, the point of discontinuity is what? Point of discontinuity is 1. Okay, or f is discontinuous at x is equal to 1. Okay, next. Next question. 13th one. 13. Is the function defined by, is the function defined by f of x is equal to here x plus 5 comma if x is less than or equal to 1. Next, f of x is equal to x minus 5 comma if x is greater than 1. A continuous function. Solution. Observe the question carefully. Is the function defined by f of x is equal to some function a continuous function? Okay, we have to, is this function is continuous or not, we have to check. Okay, here observe, guys. Here given f of x is equal to this function. Okay, it is defined at which point? At x is equal to less than, equal to, greater than. So at x is equal to 1, this function is defined at x is equal to 1. Okay, now at x is equal to 1, f of x is equal to what, guys? F of x at x is equal to 1 means, therefore our function is x plus 5. So now, therefore at x is equal to 1, f of 1 is equal to 1 plus 5. That is equal to what, guys? 6. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Now this function involves inequalities, so use left hand limit and right hand limit. Left hand limit LHL is equal to what? Limit of f of x as x tends to at x is equal to 1 means 1 minus. Next, right hand limit RHL is equal to limit as x tends to 1 plus means f of x. Here limit as x tends to 1 minus f of x, the value of the function which is less than 1 is what? X plus 5 for left hand limit. That is equal to what? If you substitute x as 1, this is 1 plus 5, that is equal to 6. Next, limit as x tends to 1 plus the function which is 1 plus means the function which is greater than 1, that is equal to x minus 5. If you substitute limit as 1, this is 1 minus 5, that is equal to what? Minus 4. Therefore, LHL is not equal to RHL, guys. LHL is 6, RHL is minus 4. LHL is not equal to RHL. Therefore, F is not continuous at x is equal to this point 1. Here, is this function is continuous? No, this function is not continuous at x is equal to this point 1, guys. Like this, we will solve the problems. Okay, now. Yes, next question, guys. Discuss the continuity of function f where f is defined by f of x is equal to 3, if 0 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. Next, f of x is equal to 4, if 1 is less than x less than 3. Next, f of x is equal to 5, if 3 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10. Okay, guys, we have to check the continuity, guys. Okay, now solution. Observe, guys. Here observe, less than or equal to symbol is there for. Here observe, guys, less than equal to. Whether this greater than symbol is there or not, we have to check. Okay, for this 0, greater than or equal to. Here we have less than, greater than and equal to. We have 3 conditions, 3 inequalities for a point. If there are 3 inequalities for a point, then that point is considered, guys. Otherwise, that point is not considered to check whether that function is continuous or not. Here observe, guys. For this 0, less than is there, equal to is there. But greater than is not there for this 0, guys. So, this point is not considered. Okay. Next, for at x is equal to 1. Here observe, guys. X is equal to 1, less than 1. Here, x 1 is less than x means which can be written as x is greater than 1. So observe now, for this 1 less than, equal to and greater than. So you have to consider this point. You have to check the continuity at this point, x is equal to 1. Okay, next, at x is equal to 1, that is 1 point. Next, here observe, next come to this point 3. Here less than is there. Here 3 is less than or equal to x means here x is greater than or equal to 3 now. Here for this point 3, less than is there, greater than is there, equal to is there. So we will consider this point also. So at x is equal to 3 also we have to check whether this function is continuous or not. Okay, observe, guys. This can be written as x is greater than or equal to 3. Next, check for 10, guys. Here for this 10, less than is there, equal to is there. But greater than symbol, greater than inequality is not there. So we should not check this. We should not take this point, guys. Okay, now solution. Now check the continuity at this point 1 first. Okay, now here observe, guys. At x is equal to 1, f of x is equal to what, guys? At x is equal to 1 means this condition, right? X is equal to 1 means this condition. X is equal to 1, our function is what? F of x is equal to 3, guys. F of x is equal to 3. Similarly, at x is equal to 1, f of 1 is also. In place of x, we have to substitute 3. But here x is not there. You have to write the same thing. 3 is a constant. You have to write the same thing. Okay. That is 1. Here this function involves inequalities, guys. Less than and greater than. 1 is less than x means x is greater than 1. So, therefore, we will use left hand limit and right hand limit to check whether that function is continuous or not at this particular point. Therefore, limit of f of x as x tends to, here this point is 1 minus. That is equal to limit as x tends to 1 minus, That means the function which is less than 1, is 3. If you apply limit for a constant function, you will get the same constant. Okay, next. come to right hand limit. For right hand limit, that is equal to limit of f of x as x tends to, here this point is 1 plus, that is equal to limit as x tends to 1 plus, here the function which is greater than 1 is less than x means x is greater than 1. The function which is greater than 1 is what? 4. The function which is greater than 1 is 4. So write 4 here. Here if you apply the constant, you apply the limit, you will get 4 only because that is constant. Okay, now therefore observe, LHL here is not equal to RHL guys. LHL here is equal to 3, RHL is equal to 4. These are not equal, right? Therefore what? LHL is not equal to RHL. Therefore F is not continuous. F is not continuous. F is not continuous or discontinuous at x is equal to first point is what? At x is equal to this point 1. Okay, first case is over guys. This is case 1. Next case 2. Case 2 means first second point. At x is equal to second point is what guys? At x is equal to 3. At x is equal to 3. Yeah. At x is equal to 3, our function is what? At x is equal to 3. Is equal to symbol is therefore, is equal to inequality is there for this function 5. So x is equal to 3 means that is equal to 5. So therefore f of x is equal to 5. F of x is equal to 5. Yeah. F of 3 is equal to what? At x is equal to 3. That is also 5 only. That is also 5. So now observe guys. Now that is equal to. Now here at x is equal to 3, that implies less than and greater than or equal to symbols. That's why we will use left hand limit and right hand limit. So therefore left hand limit LHL is equal to limit of f of x as x tends to. Here at this point 3, this is 3 minus 3 is different than 3 minus. Okay guys, here that is equal to limit as x tends to 3 minus f of x. 3 minus means the function which is less than 3. The function which is less than 3 is what? 4. The function which is less than 3 is 4. Therefore limit as x tends to 3 is, if you apply limit for constant function, you will get same constant. Next RHL, that is equal to limit as x tends to 3 plus f of x. That is equal to what guys? Limit as x tends to 3 plus f of x means 3 plus means the function which is greater than 3. The function which is greater than 3 is what? 5. The function which is greater than 3 is 5. So that's equal to 5. Therefore here also observe LHL is not equal to RHL. Here this is 4, this is 5. Therefore what? Therefore F is discontinuous at x is equal to what? This point 3. At x is equal to 3. Here our question is what? Discuss the continuity of the function. Here this function is not continuous at these 2 points guys. Therefore at these 2 points, therefore f is not continuous at x is equal to this one and x is equal to 3. Therefore f is not continuous at x is equal to 3. That means f is continuous at every point of real number except at these 2 points 1 and 3. Therefore f is continuous at every point of real numbers except at x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. At these 2 points only this function is discontinuous. Okay. In remaining all cases this function is what? Continuous. Okay. Now next question. Like this you will have 2 more problems guys. You have to try. Okay. Here question number 15. Question number 15. discuss the continuity of the function f where f is defined by f of x is equal to 2x. F of x is equal to 2x, comma, if x is less than 0. Next, f of x is equal to 0, comma, if 0 is less than x less than 0 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. Next, f of x is equal to 4x, comma, if x is greater than 1. If x is greater than 1. Here observe guys, solution. Here x is less than 0 is there. Here 0 is less than or equal to x means that can be written as x is greater than or equal to 0. So we will consider this point as at x is equal to here less than 0, greater than 0, equal to 0. So you have to check this continuity at this point. Okay, next, at x is equal to 1, here less than, equal to and greater than. So you have to consider this point also. At x is equal to 1 also you have to check whether this function is continuous or not. Okay, now solution. Observe guys. Case 1, at x is equal to 1, at x is equal to this point 0. At x is equal to 0, our function f of x is what guys? At x is equal to 0 means is equal to symbol is therefore what? For this 0, that function is what? 0. Okay, therefore f of 0 is equal to what? At x is equal to 0, 0. Here x is not 0, so simply write this. Okay, now next, here this function inverse inequality na for this 0. So use left hand limit. Left hand limit is equal to limit of f of x as x tends to 0 minus. That is equal to limit as x tends to 0 minus. That means what? The function which is less than 0. The function which is less than 0 is what? 2x. 2x. That's equal to, here that is equal to 2 into as x tends to 0. This is 2 into 0 is equal to 0. Next, right hand limit. For right hand limit, RHL is equal to limit as x tends to 0 plus f of x. Here that is equal to limit as x tends to 0 plus f of x. 0 plus means what? The function which is greater than 0. The function which is greater than 0 is what? 0. 0 is the function. Okay, so if you apply the limit, you will get 0. So observe now. Observe LHL is equal to what? Is equal to RHL. LHL is equal to RHL. Here LHL is equal to 0, RHL is equal to 0. If LHL is equal to RHL is equal to 0, then go for f of 0. That should also be equal to what? 0. That is also equal to 0. So f of 0 is also, all are equal to 0. Therefore what? F is continuous at, therefore f is continuous at x is equal to 0. At x is equal to 0, this function is continuous guys. Okay, next question, next point. Next you have to check whether this is continuous or not at this point. Second point, at x is equal to 1, case 2. Here at x is equal to 1, our function is what? Our function f of x is what? F of x is equal to 1 means we have to consider 0 guys. Is equal to 1. That means our function is also here also 0. Therefore f of 1 is also, that is constant, 0. Next, observe guys. Next, at x is equal to 1, this is less than, equal to, greater than. So you have to use left hand limit and right hand limit. So left hand limit LHL is equal to limit as x tends to, here this point is 1 means 1 minus f of x. That is equal to limit as x tends to 1 minus f of x. F of x means, here observe, 1 minus means the function which is less than 1. The function which is less than 1 is 0. So that is equal to, if I apply constant, if I apply limit, you will get 0. Okay, now next, RHL is equal to limit as x tends to 1 plus f of x. That is equal to limit as x tends to 1 plus means the function which is greater than 1. The function which is greater than 1 is what? 4x. 4 into x. Now apply the limit. If you apply the limit, you will get 4 into, in place of x, you should write 1. So 4 into 1 is equal to what? 4. Now observe, Now check whether LHL is equal to RHL or not. LHL is 0, RHL is what? 4. So LHL is not equal to RHL. Okay, therefore what? Therefore F is discontinuous. F is discontinuous at x is equal to what? This point 1. At x is equal to this point 1. Finally, for conclusion, therefore F is continuous at every point of real number, numbers except at this point x is equal to 1. Except at x is equal to 1. At x is equal to 0, this function is what? Continuous. This function is continuous at every point of real number except at this point x is equal to 1, guys. That is the conclusion. Okay, like this you have to solve the problems, guys. Okay, next question. Yeah, 16th one, the similar question is there for 16. Okay, now try this question, guys. 16th, discuss the continuity of the function f given by f of x is equal to here, that is equal to minus 2, comma, if x is less than or equal to minus 1. Yeah, that is 2x, comma, if minus 1 is less than x less than plus 1, less than or equal to plus 1. Yeah, inequalities are very important, guys. Okay, next. Second, 2, comma, if x is greater than 1. 2 if x is greater than 1. You have to check whether this function is continuous or not. Okay, and write the conclusion, guys. This is for your homework. Okay, you should try this. Okay, practice all the problems, guys. Now try this. Okay, thank you.